Men today are restless. You feel it. You can check the boxes, hit the goals, post the wins, and still feel empty. Because deep down you know life was never meant to be reduced to a paycheck, a title, grasping at a future arrival point, or the next dopamine hit. Addictions, distractions, and instant gratification are rife in a world of men who stand for nothing and fall for anything. Enough, I say. This is not you. This is not men. You weren't designed just to exist. You were designed to live, to fight battles that matter, to carry weight that others can't, to stand for something when everything in this world is crumbling. Henry David Thoreau's quote echoes more loudly now than at any other time when he wrote that statement: "Most men lead lives of quiet desperation." That quiet life of desperation doesn't help you avoid difficult things, it eventually destroys you. Everywhere the world tells you that success is the prize, get more, achieve more, collect more. But here's the truth. Success without meaning is slavery. You can have the car, the house, the promotions, and still be bankrupting your soul. This is the grand lie men were told. Acquire things, grasp at material success, and you will then arrive at a point of contentment, prestige, and finally be able to accept yourself. But you won't. It was a huge, harmful lie. Because men weren't built for shallow victories. We were built for courage, for responsibility, for legacy. No possession can fill the void of not feeling enough. It never was about forging an ambition or mission, because the aim was the man himself. He is the target to be forged into strength and potential. A character of courage is deliberately created in the forge of discipline. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is standing in the fire with fear and refusing to back down. It is here fear becomes the friend of exceptional people. It's doing the hard thing when it will be easier to quit. It's choosing integrity when compromise temporarily pays better. It's leading your family when the world tells you to live for yourself, let the state lead your children, and knee-jerk at every deliberate media message designed to control you. The world is desperate for courageous men. And when one man finds his courage, the world shifts around him. No man was ever meant to walk this path alone. Eagles may fly alone, but the lionized men who choose the way of courage group together as a powerful force for change. This is the way of the narrow path, where it demands the best of each man who dares venture there. Every king had warriors beside him. Every leader had brothers at his side. Courage is contagious. It attracts a brotherhood of like-minded men. A proving ground where men sharpen men and raise them up to their own highest possibilities. Where weakness and lies are burned off, and strength is built in the fire of accountability, challenge, and truth. Here you don't have to fake it. Here you rise or you're called higher within the example of like-minded men. Courageous men change more than their own lives. They raise stronger children. They build safer homes. They restore hope to communities. They shape nations. They do this often in the face of criticism, condemnation, and personal risk. No matter. They are the ones who shape the world and lead the way when others will not. The legacy of a courageous man doesn't end at his own grave, it echoes through generations. And one day, when your story is told, will you say you lived for comfort or that you lived with courage? William Wallace was right when he said, "All men die, but not all men really live." The time is now, not tomorrow, not someday. If not now, then when? If not you, then who? Every day you wait is a day wasted. Every day you stay silent is a day the world misses the man you were created to be. You are no accident, no random arrival in the world for nothingness. You are supposed to be here, and you get to create the character of courage to shape not just your own life, but the world around you. You are both the marble and the sculptor. You already know what's inside you. You already know there's more. The question is, will you rise? Will you step into courage? Will you take responsibility? Will you embrace legacy? Because the world doesn't need more successful men. It needs more courageous men. And the choice is yours, right here, right now. So, will you answer?